Hi guys, it's Birb here, and I've got for you another video of this series about my technical analysis rules. Today I've got for you my technical analysis rule number 4. As you've already got to know, all the previous 3 rules of technical analysis that I applied, that I personally believe you should just apply well in order to be a good market technician and good trader based on that. Well, there is the 4th one, right? And the 4th one is that you should never stop learning and improving. Okay, the technical analysis is because it is a self-fulfilling prophecy, and because it addresses rationality or irrationality of the people, of the traders, of the market participants. It is dynamic. It keeps evolving and it keeps changing. Okay, it's not that you learn one rule and you kind of like can apply that forever and become multimillionaire overnight because of that, right? And if you don't make that happen, then it means that TA is worthless piece of shit. It's not true, because it is dynamic and the history does not repeat itself literally. It is never to be taken for granted. That is something that you already got to know. The technical analysis have been evolving throughout the past years, throughout the past decades, and even the centuries. Okay, because there were like the ancient times. Ever since the ancient times, like since the very very early ages, there were like traders who were trying to apply the astronomy in order to predict the price seasonality and price movements. And it was changing over the years to an extent that in 20th century you started seeing the computers, right? You started seeing the programs, the computer programs, the trading softwares. Okay, so with the propagation of computers and the overall technology and information transmission, the market has changed. The market has become more open to traders, and at the same time, the trading, like as a profession, has become way more popular than it used to be, right? Because right now everybody has access to information, everybody has access to to the technology, right, to the tools. And this definitely impacts the way that we perceive the trends, that we perceive the markets, and the way how we value that and decide whether an asset is overvalued or undervalued based on its price technicals. Okay, so having all that said, it is crucial for you to understand that you have to keep following the trends, you have to keep reading, you have to keep discovering, you have to keep checking those new articles, new books, new official kind of like technical analysis institutes, right? There's like CMT, chart market technician, that I'm actually part of, in a way that I'm actually right now approaching in December the 3rd and final exam, where I'm going to claim my final title, an official title of certified charter market technician, which is very rare in this space. But you have to stay up to date. Okay, when you are not up to date, when you are just sitting back and enjoying the show, waiting for the market to come to you, then, well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but you're not going to succeed this way if you want to be a technical trader and apply technical analysis to your trading to win. So you guys have to remember that TA is dynamic body. It changes over the time. You have to keep improving, keep following the latest changes. And with the use of technical analysis within the AI industry, within the artificial intelligence, you guys are fighting not even against yourselves anymore. You guys are fighting with some superior intelligence. You're literally fighting your enemy has become to be artificial intelligence, AI. You are trading against bots. You are trading against AI programs. Okay, that is a very difficult and big challenge to face. And if you do not keep registering these new records, new data, new trends, new market mechanisms, okay, and new technology softwares, and pretty much just stay literally just be there and lag behind, then there is no way you're going to succeed in this in the long run. You may be lucky once or twice, but how many times will luck get you the actual results for the rest of your life? Chances are very low for that. So in order to win in the long run and apply the technical analysis rule number 4 of mine, you have to keep improving and be aware that you are trading against superior powers. You're trading against superior artificial intelligence, which is infinitely faster than you could ever be. It reacts immediately to the market changes. It reacts immediately to the market news. Okay, and well, for the comparison, if you see a bad news in the TV until you come back from your home, from your 9 to 5 work, until you come back home, and turn the laptop on and just log into Exchange, it is already well gone. Okay, the chance is already gone. So you are fighting against a superior enemy who is faster, who is more agile, who is pretty much like more intelligent trading wise, in a way that artificial intelligence does not have emotions, does not bear emotions, does not fight emotions, just like we people do. Okay, so your fight is against definitely not equal but better, superior enemy. And if you do not apply this rule of technical analysis, of constant improving and changing, checking the latest trends on the market, then you could actually just resign, most likely. The conclusion is that if you reject this rule of technical analysis, of constant improvement and so many iterations of getting to know new latest technological advancement, tools, changes, softwares, then you guys are not going to make it. Sorry. Yeah, and as always, if you enjoy, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the likes, leave some kind comments, everybody. I'll go through all the comments and check them and answer them whenever there are any questions. And the new lessons are coming. Stay safe, guys. God bless you. Cheers.